watching this over the age of 40, keep watching because I've got the most incredible products to showcase to you. Hi friends, it's Katie, professional makeup artist and founder of beautyandtheboutique.com. As I head towards 50, I'm looking for products that not only make me feel special, but they just give me a little bit of a confidence boost. This first product I'm going to share with you creates an instant brow lift. Now it comes in just one shade, which makes it universal for pretty much all brow colours. How you get your particular brow colour is by how firm you press that pencil onto your brow. I'm going to take the brow tone here. By lifting my arch up, I'm going to create the effect of an eye lift. Now if you're not sure where your arch is, hold the pencil at the corner of your nose diagonally through your pupil. Little dot there where my arch should be. We're just going to go above the brow line just by a millimetre, drawing that arch a little bit higher and then tapering that colour down into the tail of my brow. Mimic the hair growth into the brow hair just to blend in where I've taken the arch higher. So I'm hoping on camera you can see just how much of a lift that brow pencil's given to my brows in a really, really natural way. Now this next little tip is a complete game changer. Take the creamy end, warm it up on my hand. I'm going to just use the pencil very softly under the arch. It's going to add a matte highlighted shade. It's going to frame my brow and lift my eyes. Look at the difference of this brow. That to me is just an instant eye lift. Wait till you see this on the face, it looks incredible. We're going to use this bronzing shade here. I'm going to show you how you can use bronzer to sculpt your features. Firstly, I'm going to smile. I'm just going to push that product up. Tip of my chin, down under my chin here, down the bridge of my nose. If you have short hair or you're wearing your hair up, do the tips of your ears, a little bit of bronzer on the back of your neck, a little bit on your décolletage. And that's just gonna merge it all together so it all looks beautifully natural. Look at the glow that this has created. And I haven't even shown you the best bit yet. This next tip using the same bronzing shade is going to give an eye lift. I'm going to load up my brush, place the colour in the centre of the socket, blend it backwards and forwards. I don't take the colour past the corner of my eye here because it's going to make my eyes turn downwards. If you have quite a hood to your eye, then you want the colour to go slightly over the hood. You don't want the colour to go on the top of your brow bone. You want to keep the eyelid free of colour. This tip is really great for framing the eye without the use of eyeliner. This is the angled detailer brush from the set. If you didn't have this brush set, you could use a Q-tip. I'm going to stamp that colour just underneath my lash roots here. Now that was so easy to do. It's just giving a subtle kind of sexy hue to the eye. Now I'm going to show you how to use the pinky shade. I love this. Load up my colour onto the brush. Don't want to apply too much. I'm just going to swoosh on the colour, starting from my apple of my cheek up towards the hairline here. Now look how that has sculpted my bone structure. People are going to ask you what you've done differently. This nude lip wardrobe, if you've ever struggled to find the perfect nude lip, oh my gosh, this is the answer. So this has a lip liner, a lipstick and a lip gloss. Take the lip liner, we're going to use our pinky finger, this is our stabilizer. We're going to start from the corner of the lip to the cupid's bow here. I'm not going over the lip line, I'm just following the lip line. By defining my lip shape, it makes my lips look fuller. Now this lipstick shade just looks so beautiful with the lip liner. It's just like your lips, only better. If you're someone that doesn't like the feel of lip gloss, just by applying this in the centre of your lips, you're going to get the look of gloss, but without the whole feel of gloss. Now, I love this. It feels just like balmy, so I'm going to go all over. Now, tell me if this isn't the prettiest nude lip look you've ever seen. One last thing, I've had a little bonbon here sat on my lap. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I hope there's lots more that you find on beautyandtheboutique.com that will benefit you. Bye.